You can expect a lot from the 2011 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. With less than 4,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: a tachometer, a leather steering wheel, an outside temperature display, power front seats, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and cruise control. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Mercedes-Benz ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.